one.
Well, make sure you ask whose it is.
Oh, yeah. I think the one I used last year was like 28.31. What I was doing with
That's little.
Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it was.
I see that. I was gonna go the other way, and I was like indecisive. You know?
Yep. Oh, trusty.
Make up your mind where you're gonna go.
It's always the tough part.
Change it up in the middle of the swing.
But yeah, when you change it up.
Let's do this now.
I was doing that
shit.
All right, you can get home. You fish Michael? No. Yeah.
So where do you want it?
You want him or you want me?
You know what? Why don't you do it, Mike?
I'll do it.
Is he going to be after me? If he can be after me, so you're not doing that.
Let me use the picture.
All right. Kneecap.
That's how you do it. That's what you do.
Is that how you do it?
That's how you do it?
God damn it. 40 years, haven't learned that yet. You want to pitch to you, or are you good with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Just up a little higher.
High, stop. Down
Yeah,
there.
yeah. And just don't swing so hard. Just get it over the line. There you go.
Was that,
That's fine.
high
That's
enough?
fine. Yeah. That's okay. Oh, yeah.
Hit the rope. Yeah.
Yep, high.
What? There's a couple guys that know how to
So
do it.
glad you're our captain.
There's a couple guys that know how to hit.
Yeah, I know, right? Just stick it in there. Come on, Ken. Go. There you go.
Whoa! He's tall.
He's
He's tall. I'm hitting the field. I thought that clearly was over him. I was like,
I thought it was too. I was like, oh,
thinking.
that's not a drop.
It's good. You kind of just jumped on it. Those good swingers that punch me.
Oh, yeah.
Good
Oh,
hit.
yeah.
I wanted to get to the corner.
Oh, yeah.
I wanted. That was a miss. I wanted to.
Yes.
Little bit. Head down.
That was
Okay,
bad.
that's off.
Is that pitch okay?
Yeah,
Talk
it's
to me.
okay.
I mean, don't be afraid to say you're fucking up, dude.
Mike, I need you.
Yeah, you do. I'm going underneath you. And behind, oh, yeah, that's right. I don't know why I'm getting my bat.
Yeah, I was like, where are you
Four-man
going,
team.
man?
Four-man team.
Screwing
I've got four-man team. Get with the program.
Mike, I need you.
Yeah. Can't pitch to myself.
Go.
Get down. Get down.
Oh!
Nice spin.
There we go.
Go, Mike. Fight that spin. Yeah. Here we go, Mike.
Good. Woo! I gotta hit the ball.
Murphy, I think I have to go run.
That's it, me deal.
Ah!
Let's go.
See you over there. You got this.
God darn it. God darn it. You can see the side. Two lean way back. Shoulder down. Yes. Lean way back.
Put some extra English on that phone.
Don't fit the glove. We're trying to do a back bend on that one.
Goes Gordo, Matt, me, you. So it's still the same thing.
Sorry about that.
Me too. Yeah, it was right there.
Where'd you say it was at? 3
You.
Little ball.
Little ball. There it is. There it is.
Let's move this back. You're about to hit it. Mark's got long arms too. It's a little smash this. Actually, it's Mark's. We can let Mark smash it.
Pitch okay?
Yeah. Clearly.
Weird. I felt like I put it a little high.
But apparently I like it high, so. I'm a softball player, so this is a interesting. And I'm not a golfer, so this is a weird motion for me. You know, I'm used to chop, so a little bit higher is kind of more in my wheelhouse. And that playing game. Yeah.
There you go.
Sorry. You had your hand in there too.
It's been a while.
Nice.
Yeah, dude, I'm not bad. Get your hand out of there. Pitch to these old guys at practice. I know. You need some speed.
Here we go.
Back to Gordo. Yes, Mike.
God, it's so wide open.
There you go. There you go. Oh.
Good stroke though, Matt. Good.
Just hoping for just a little bit more left out of that.
That's good. You're putting it in play.
I told you I was getting my liquid motivation to get my nerves out. It's like I got my first time jitters again.
Got it.
Still coming.
All right, maybe I can start hitting the fucking ball here.
I'm ready to take a break now.
Thank you, bro. Now I just gotta hit the ball.
You'll get there.
You're coming along.
I think you guys found like a metal kind of like collar looking thing with turquoise on it. Okay. Because my friends who were out here last night with the dogs running, and you know at night they can lose stuff. So I was wondering if anybody found like a metal with like this.
We will keep an eye out.
On the other side.
Yeah, on the other side.
I'll go around. I'll go around this way.
Okay. Yeah, so they might. And we'll keep an eye out when we're out there.
Yeah. I just. Well, hopefully we'll find it.
Let's go.
Still okay with the pitch, though?
Yeah, it was a little low.
It was a little low on that one? I'm
yeah.
sorry, bud.
You're
I'll bring
all
it
right.
up.
You're
I'll
all
bring it
right.
up.
We'll get it.
I'm trying to stop you too.
Three.
I don't want you to have to get up and down. You know that's a lot.
I'll be tired by noon.
You're
Be exhausted.
I have to stop
Give me
this.
some oxygen.
I have to stop this.
Go. Get down.
Down. Yeah, no. Crawl to it.
It's supposed to be on the line. There it is.
Hit it.
Somebody's stroking the ball.
Thank you.
Somebody's stroking. Let me see if I can do this back to you.
I promise I'll start hitting.
Not worried about you.
This is the fun part. It's bullshit.
Seen your videos. I know what you can do.
My videos?
Well, I've recorded you last year.
He's recording you. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
That was a nice hit.
You ain't got that shot.
Yeah,
Want to bet?
that happened.
Hey, think about it. I called it.
Let's go.
All right, good pitch this time, though.
No, you guys heard me. I called it. I'm gonna do the same. We're gonna do the same shot.
There you go.
There it is.
Get down.
Better on that pitch?
You know what?
Yeah, that was
Okay.
perfect.
Perfect.
Stay there, Michael. Stay there, Michael.
Still swinging too hard. I'm swinging too damn
Yeah, I know. I
hard.
didn't get up
You know
this
what?
time.
Now
I'm learning.
You're there.
Takes me a while, but I learn. I'll still do it probably 10 times.
Let's go, Chuck. Keep us alive.
Go.
There we
Right.
go.
Ooh.
You earned that. That's 4. I think that's 4. No, I think it's only 3.
That far?
That 4?
Afraid so. I'm afraid so.
Yeah, way to go, gentlemen. Any idea what we're chasing?
More than 0. I wasn't paying too much attention.
better catch. And Gordo, you can't stand behind the camera. The whole audience.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I thought too.
Did you guys find a metal collar?
Oh.
No, I'm getting my soul.
Your teammates just told me that you should go.
That was Mark Mitchell hitting, yeah.
Oh! No way! It's that left-handed spin.
I did too. Left-handed. That's coming off so backwards for everybody.
That's it. That's our captain right there. What a leader.
We finally got a good pitch.
Oh, yeah?
You're going too slow.
Used to my slow pitching then, huh?
You haven't seen my other swings. They were bad.
Yeah, it's like a pinball machine up there.
Nice try.
Trouble! Yeah! We'll take it.
No way I'm gonna get there. Not even in my 20s.
That snuck in there.
Good job, Matt.
Keep us going, keep us going.
Jennifer, it's on. Okay, they're playing now.
That's a baby. Shoot. Behind you, Ryan.
Go that way.
Because I figured it would be open now. Shut behind moving that way.
I was not hitting it.
I'm trying to go up the gut. It's not standing up the gut.
Mike, how much money did you give us to keep hitting it?
That was the deal we made in the past.
That's
Nice catch.
Yeah, we were playing against each other. That's what you gotta do.
God dang it.
Play, Mike.
You just had the memo. You got to quit getting to him.
That's a good
That's good.
That's a good throw. That's a good shot. Big fan.
Gotta stay in it though.
Kevin, put his pitch a little lower.
A little lower.
Nice juice on that one, Gordo.
Yeah, trying.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Mike, you're up.
Nice shot.
No, I'm
not
tired
already.
I'm not good.
Making us look bad, man.
What's that, 3 tournaments in a row I've been playing against you?
I know, right? Almost like back in the day when I had Holbrook every single tournament. I didn't have Rob Robbie was my first play. I'm feeling like, fuck that guy.
You're like, I can play the line now on him.
I was like, well, I don't have to worry too
Middle
much.
guy.
I got a middle guy there.
Sorry, talk to Mike.
Yeah, that middle guy changes a lot.
Yeah, sure, it does. It really actually does.
Of course, if I'm there,
I'm just waiting for a voice in the back of my head. Like, let that one go, Mike.
No.
I said that one day I kind of leaned, tweet stuff.
Yeah.
I thought, I should probably let it go. You're probably right there.
I'm definitely playing more push. The machine. Gordo, man. One step on the wrong way.
Nice.
Yeah. Freaking Antondo.
Wow. Nice pitch.
Nice.
I guess I'm going to do
decision on
a
that one.
deep push. I was going to go the same thing.
Yeah.
No, they're squeezing. I'll do a deep push.
Yeah, but still, What this, you did last time?
They're both right there. You dropped it in the right spot.
Well, I'm trying to get a read, trying to look up down. See what
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do too. That's why I thought I had Kevin at the time.
Yeah, I thought you did too.
There you go.
That's right.
That's good. That's there.
Work the line, but try to pull it down the line. Make him run a little bit.
Oh, no, it's just, so I see you move. I was like,
Yeah.
there it is.
That's our problem. We're too skittish now.
Yeah, I don't want no thanks. No thanks, I'm good.
I need to wait a little bit longer, I think, to hit the ball. I'm hitting it too high in the
I
air.
think I'm up now.
Yep.
Got this one by my side. I like the foul off.
Yeah,
It's like I'm barely swinging.
that's all you did.
You're still going there, exactly. So you're on there. You're fine.
Yeah, you're on. You're there.
Good hit. Good job.
Wow, nice pitch.
Perfect hit. I think we got our timing now.
Dang, that ball was like, it was like following suit. That was a
That was the pitch. It was
Keep it going.
that was nice.
Oh, you're doing fine. Don't worry. Just keep hitting the way. They still have to catch it. Yes, they're catching it, but you don't have to worry about it.
You got to start off with the now to get that out nice and
Yeah, exactly.
Oh!
right up the side of that one.
Pull myself back. I was like, I know I should step forward and drive the ball, but here I am trying to muscle it up out of there.
Go.
That's right.
That's right. It's 5 ball.
You got another ball. You got another ball.
There you go. That's the lane you need to get right there. That's where you need to be at.
Nice throw. You're back.
I still want to bring it down a little bit more.
You know what? That's perfect.
That's perfect. I would
And the
take
reason
that.
why is because it got up and down. It got there.
Yeah. That's a perfect spot. I'll take that all day.
Go.
Patience plays a huge role.
God.
Yes.
Oh! Damn it. That looked like you were second the line.
He's still alive, right?
Was it
Great.
good?
That was great. That was great.
Okay.
Regular pitch. Right at him.
It's all right.
I got to freaking excited. See, that's what you swing too hard, you get too excited, it doesn't go over.
All right, Mike. Got him. Wow.
That ball had
He was crashing. He was
That
crashing.
ball
I was
had
like,
How did he do that?
That was a hell of a hit.
and I didn't want to hit too deep for frickin' Kevin back there. He's too quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kevin's burning himself.